So should I hold this?
Yeah. Just sit upright.
Yeah, if possible. We can get Theo to do it. If you do.
Should we move it around? Or we can place it on here and sort of move it around. Well, we're live.
Are we? Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining us for this London, Paris, Berlin 25 event. Yeah, come follow us as we go and ask some of the participants some questions. All right.
That's good.
It's been a really interesting day, lots of talks, and we'll try and find some teams to ask some questions of. Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm doing a few interviews, yeah. Do you mind? Is that alright? Alright, would you like to introduce yourselves quickly? A bit about who you are.
What's up? Yeah, I'm JPEG, or Josh. JPEG on the Discord.
Cool, thank you. And yourself? Do you want to be involved?
Dennis. Hello.
Dennis? Cool. So, can I just ask, what brought you to London, Paris, Berlin 25? What's the most interested you about today?
Prize money. No. No, I mean, like, these events are starting to pop up more and more. And reality is, at the fringes of these things is where you find people with the most interesting ideas. I, as an applied AI kind of person, I want to find people that have nothing to do with AI. And are just like, oh, well, I do this. And finding people like that at somewhere in this environment or online. I work with a guy that's a personal tutor and is very good at the English language. Turns out he's very good at using language models in a different way. So that's what excites me, is finding people that are just not from computer science.
Okay, sure. So it's a great opportunity to meet people, network, all that kind of thing. Cool, thank you. And could I ask you, if there was one creative solution that AI could provide, what would you most like to see, or what it would excite you most?
Probably if I will come somewhere and AI will do everything, like from serving and from creating everything, and I will just need to sit and relax and see the results.
Yeah. Very nice. One more question, if that's all right. Yeah, sure. So, have you guys thought about a project at all, or anything you'd like to work on? If so, could you give a 30-second pitch?
Yeah, I'd love to. Oh my God. How many 30-second pitches? No, I'm just kidding. To anyone out there in Discord as well, like, there's a proposal on the thing. So I love Comfy UI. I think Comfy UI is like the future of creative arts and multimodal entertainment content. But it's really important that artists from a traditional background can work out how to use these things and then license them. So I want to build a licensing framework around Comfy UI workflows. That means that an artist, like our friend here who makes this beautiful interactive art, she should be able to sell that to others through an API. And artists are like, I don't even know what an API is. We're going to abstract that away and make a simple system that allows their workflow or their artist model to be co-designing with other people across the internet.
Sounds really interesting.
Yeah. Bring it.
And same question for yourself. Any ideas of a project?
I'm just thinking about a good idea to implement here, so we'll see.
Okay, sure. Well, I think there's lots of opportunity to meet people
in 3 weeks. And
yeah, we'll see. Awesome, thank you.
Can I have one more question?
Yeah, sure.
I have a question. If anybody is training models, whether you're training video models or image models or anything like that, please hit me up, because we need more people that are good at training LoRa's, like Flux or the new SD 3.5, or basically anything else, video models, because doing that stuff is in limited supply. Artists don't know how to do it from a traditional background, and that skill shouldn't be just locked away for us nerds. So if anyone's into that, hit me up.
Very nice. Thank you both. Yeah, we'll go find some other people to ask questions. Nice. Cool. Hi guys, how are you doing? Would you mind if we asked a couple of questions? Cool, thank you. So nice to meet you. I'm Aaron. how have you found today, the London, Paris, Berlin Kickoff 25 event?
It's been quite good. So it's been quite good. The speakers were very nice, and there was lots of information around. I'm still trying to wrap my head around everything. There's quite a lot happening in AI, and we are excited to be a part of it.
Thank you. And I suppose a question for you, if that's all right. No? Okay, sure. Anyone else for one question? No? Okay, sure. Well, thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, we'll go find some other people. We'll go over here. Hi, guys. Oh. Sorry to interrupt. Would you mind if we ask a couple of questions?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah? Okay, thanks. Firstly, what brought you to London, Paris, Berlin 25 today? Anything in particular?
I'm just looking around what on this, so it's a very good place to be, and there's a lot of interesting projects nearby.
Maybe I'm curious about technology, and AI is taking a lot of part in our world. And I'm looking forward to meet some people, to push myself to work on a project with other people.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's an incredibly exciting period in the industry. You mentioned project. Is there anything in particular you've thought about so far that you want to explore, or any projects you're thinking about joining?
No, I just have a quick view on the Discord.
Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe some config UI or any practical project. So I'm kind of flexible. I'm not really technical, but what I'm more interested in is contribute with people, and I think we can figure out how to do after we start.
And yourself?
Yeah, I saw a few projects that are really interesting. So there are interesting projects about AI gaming, some kind of helper for games. But I believe it's some kind of really interesting. It's going to be like future, because right now a lot of gamers just struggle to do same stuff again, and some kind of these helpers can help a lot of people.
All right, thank you. And one more question, if that's all right? Sorry. You can say no if you don't want. But just quickly, what advice would you give to creators who are interested in AI but don't really know where to start? So if someone from a fresh perspective don't really know anything, where can they go to start?
Oh, maybe start with the basic. You have ChatGPT, all these things. You start to ask questions about information, increase your knowledge. If you have difficulty to understand some context, you can start by using simple prompt. Try to describe me this like for a kid, and you will see all the capabilities that you can have, and probably being more creative and explore. There is also language model for image, video, all this type of thing. And this is also interesting. So even you don't know what to do with, but you can start by this little thing that can help you understand the life that we are today.
Yeah, it makes sense. Thank you. And anything else? Or... No? Okay. Thank you for your time. Have a nice evening. See you later. All right. Where are we going next? I think we'll go here. Hi.
Hi, hello.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you guys doing?
Yeah, very well. Is it to ask your questions
Yeah, you
today?
already asked me one. So
There
you have
we
one
go.
more left? No, you
One
can
more.
ask me two more.
Thank you very much. Firstly, what excites you most about London Paris Berlin 25? Brought you here today. What creative AI?
Lately I'm following, and it's been quite some time, I've been following AI ML. Like it's been like 7 years, maybe more. But I'm focusing a lot on, and everybody else is on generative AI, LLMs, and so on, compared to what's there. So hard to keep track of it. So I go there to meet talented people. I get to know about tools. I get to know about what's going on. Sometimes it's ideas, like, but mainly about meeting people, exchanging ideas, learning from them, learning about tools. Everybody's got some tricks that they know about, and also meeting the people who are the industry. Like, for example, we had lots of presenters today, and they do not represent the whole of the LLM space, but they are important players in the space. So knowing that what solutions they have, and also a lot for the credits, because a lot of these credits are quite precious, right? Because you burn them up very quickly. So I think I said more than a few things that excites me about this event, and also I think the format is interesting. It's not like a hackathon you do over the weekend and then you disappear. It's like over a course of 20 days, and the format is interesting. It's not like pressured into like, oh, go, build something, right? It's about, okay, ideate. So I was talking to somebody about Einstein's quote on, and I don't know if that's the exact quote, but if Einstein says that if you give me a problem and you give me an hour to solve the problem, then I'm going to spend 55 minutes trying to think about the problem, and I'll spend 5 minutes trying to solve the problem. So the 20 days is equivalent to 5 minutes, and the last day is 5 minutes when we rush, solve, and submit. So if you get about creating and thinking and extrapolating rather than solutionizing.
Absolutely, yeah, that makes sense. And you mentioned the tools over the next 20 days, and the generously donating prizes and tools you can use. Which ones are you most excited to use, or which AI models do you think will be?
More than one. So although video and multimedia and audio and graphics and all that are really exciting, but I'm not so interested in it at the moment because I don't see an application, at least for myself. I'm sure there's lots of applications everybody can build. I'm quite interested in the Mistral AI. The Pinecone is anyways free, and the AMD Vulture credits. Help me out with. There's Luma and a couple others, right? And they're really good actually, because I really follow Luma. I followed Luma last. Their product is right. Did not know what's the company. 12 Labs. They're kind of 11 Labs. Joking. 11 Labs plus one. So they have amazing product, but not using them to build anything. I don't see use cases, but definitely the other ones that I mentioned, Mistral, Pinecone, and AD Vulture. So I think if I can get credits for all of this on record, then I'll love the 20 days and I'll glide through it.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm sure we can get that arranged.
Sure. Thank you very much. Yeah, that's
Thank
on
you.
record as well. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, amazing. All right. Have a nice evening.
You too. Take care.
Okay. Some more people.
Is there a GoPro? This, yeah? It's a Canon V.
It's
It looks like a GoPro.
live stream to YouTube.
Yeah. It looks like a more advanced version of GoPro.
All right, cool. Yeah, one more person? Yeah? All right.
Sounds like it's lighting.
Okay. Should we... Oh, we've actually been here already, I think. Let's find someone else. Okay. Hi guys, how are you doing? Do you mind if I interrupt you quickly for a couple minutes? Sorry. Yeah, and you? Could I ask a couple questions? It's fine if not. Sure. Yeah. Oh, sorry. See, I mean, thank you for being here. Hope you had a good time. What exactly brought you to London this hackathon?
It was a great morning. Here I found lots of friends and lots of good developers like you. For me, the most motivation was learning methods in AI. I could find lots of technologies that I wasn't familiar with them as well. So being in this atmosphere with these guys moved me forward and helped for me for my challenges as well.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's a great opportunity. And you potentially working on a project together, the two of you. Is there any? Could you give a 30-second pitch maybe of the idea?
Yes. We have another guy, Arnav, who left us because he had a newborn kid, and we love to have him here. It's his idea. It's his idea. It's around fashion area, and he's trying to, create some AI agent, GPT-based agent to customers. These customers would ask the agent to help them to design their suits, their clothes, and help them to find it from other platforms as well. It's great.
Okay, sounds amazing. Well, best of luck for that. Yeah, really appreciate you taking the time. Do you have anything else you would like to say to the viewers on YouTube? Anything? Yeah. Oh, sorry, I'll come round.
It's very well organized, very interesting, and always, if you are experienced, you learn a lot about new products and technologies. So it's great to be here.
Yeah, absolutely. And sorry, actually, just one more question. You mentioned new products and technologies. Are there any in particular from the sponsors that you're just excited to use over the next few years?
Luma and Mistral. Yeah. That is pretty good. I knew Mistral before, but I didn't know that they are so ahead of the game.
Really exciting, both of them. All right, well, thank you very much. Have a nice evening. Sorry. All right. Done? Yeah, okay, so I suppose this brings us to the end of the day for London, Paris, Berlin 25. We've got some pizza arriving pretty imminently. And yeah, it's been a